old city locked? Scorpi. Who got the whole place locked? Scorpi. Who runs the whole block? Scorpi.
Reaction.
What's up YouTube, it's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Back in with another video for you guys. Now today we're here with a song from Jizzle, song called Scorpi or Scorpi. Scorpi. Official video. You feel better one fun with the bag right there. Anyways, so I'm doing this reaction for experimental purposes. I'm joking. So most of y'all are probably familiar with my boy, that Reggae boy on YouTube, you feel me? So I realize he has been posting for y'all, you feel me? So big up to all of the Gambian nation. I'm not sure exactly where Jizzle is from, so I'm gonna just say shout out to entire all of Africa right now, you feel me? So this is called African Reggae, or I've seen that in the hashtag. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, let me know down below in the comment section. But I was doing this video to give y'all a reaction because my boy is not representing for y'all right now. I'm not sure what's going on with him. Hopefully he's okay. I'm gonna hit him up and see what's happening. But that Reggae boy, y'all go check him out on YouTube. Follow him on Instagram. Hit him up, let him know y'all want to do some reaction videos right now. You feel me? Yeah, let's get straight to this video though. Let's get straight to it. Let's go.
Breaking news. Information have reached us that the leader of the Scorpi movement is on his way back to town. You all are expected to show maximum respect to the leader. Be warned that henceforth, whosoever breaks the rules faces the consequences.
A bad man thing. Bad man thing, them man are depan. Bad man thing on the depan. Alright then.
Who got the old city locked? Scorpi. Who got the old place locked? Scorpi.
Yeah, I got to smoke 2 cigarettes, you feel like. You mean? You argue with the Jay-Z kind of move. Why move with the name? The order they come, brother. That may get from Mr. Reggae just that. Go on.
Who runs the whole block? Scorpi. Who runs the whole block? Scorpi.
Hey.
Who got the old city locked? Scorpi. Who got the old place locked? Scorpi. Who runs the whole block? Scorpi.
Alright
Who
then.
runs the whole block? Scorpi.
So his name is Scorpi.
Back on the ring, Kotimba, baby feeling in my melodies. Classic Olunka will let you long. All these niggas low key calling me Baba. Yamule Kasaba. Meri, wala tunana maino patama. Chakapan, they call me Chakapan. Feeling like I'm wise, ain't nobody but a
I think I get over with the 2 cigarettes in his mouth though. But quality is immaculate so far. I ain't gonna cap to you. Let's go.
old city locked. Scorpi. Who got the old place locked? Scorpi. Who runs the whole block? Scorpi. Who runs the whole block? Scorpi.
I Scorpi that. So I Scorpi that type of the ends like build back. I must Scorpi that. Go ahead.
Who got the old city locked? Scorpi. Who got the old place locked? Scorpi. Who runs the whole block? Scorpi.
That's a
Who
whole
runs the
and one block.
whole block? Scorpi. For many years, Baninikan for better days. Bamirakan, Atutale. Bamanikan, anyway. Bajaja to come, hey. Jealousy, devil you falling dark, can't you see? Life is done right down. Nobody can quench the fire we burn. Hey. Old city locked, Scorpi. Who got the old place locked? Scorpi. Who runs the whole block? Scorpi.
They definitely got the reggae beat going, you feel me? So that give you the vibe. And I say African reggae, you understand me? He's talking the African. What's it called? What y'all call the language I can speak over there? I was like, I did a few reactions when my homeboy, when that reggae boy was doing it, you feel me? And I think, what's it called? It's some kind of, it started with some kind of M. I don't remember what y'all speak, and I don't want to look it up right now, but like, he was Mandingi or Mandingo. That's what it's called. Yeah, I know. I was watching his reactions and stuff. He was actually getting into it. Like, yo, I'm gonna hit him up, bro. I need to start doing reactions again, bro. That was lit. Let's go though.
Who runs the whole block? Scorpi. Who got the old city locked? Scorpi. whole place up. Scorpi, who runs the whole block? Scorpi, who runs the whole block? Scorpi.
Done. Alright. Was a good look. What y'all thoughts on my reaction to y'all music? If you want me to do some more, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll definitely look into them. You feel me? But keep me updated though. Give me some pointer, like, you know, let me know what's happening for real, because like I'm lost right now. You know what I mean? I'm just reacting at this point.
Doesn't matter if you
do the research before I hit record. Yeah, that's time. It's obvious. Anyways, it's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Check me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Go follow me. Feed me. We out of here. Peace.